I got a package from DELI DECKS. I wanted to try out their trucks. So, gonna just kind of do, I guess, a little overview. Not gonna do an unboxing because there really wasn't much to unbox. It was just in a padded envelope with 2 DELI stickers. And then in here is where the trucks were. Pretty cool. DELI DECKS. Then on the back it says Trucks by DELI DECKS, 34mm SLV. I'm assuming that means silver. Professional fingerboard trucks, single steel axles, locking hardware, and precision craftsmanship. Ride responsibly. DELIDecksUSA.com and Instagram at DELI DECKS. Choking hazard not for kids under 3. So your 4-year-olds can shred it up. Alrighty, so in that little package comes the hangers, base plates, screws and tool, and then kingpins, lock nuts, bushings, pivot cups. Looks good, looks nice. It's real clean looking. I like that. Shiny. I'm gonna set them up. Gonna have to take some trucks off a different deck and then do that, but I'll set them up. So it is an inverted kingpin, but it has like the nut style instead of the Phillips. I also don't mind the dirty fingers. I was just working on my bike, motorbike. But yeah, I'm usually not really a fan of the inverted kingpin, but I'll give it a shot. Reason for that is that I feel like if it's not all the way tight, then I feel like it comes loose on its own. So I think that the trucks were $35 a pair. And then shipping, I think, was around $6. So 38 or 36 with shipping, maybe. I'm not sure because I bought 2 sets. So I don't know if the shipping is different at all. Probably not. But I bought 2 sets, shipped with $76. So we'll see how they do. And they look very similar. It looks like maybe the wheelbase on the DELI is a little bit more, but it's really hard to say. And then the height of the truck, maybe a tiny bit taller. All right, so we got the DELI DECKS on. They look really nice. Shiny mirror finish. Looks really good. Quality of them looks really good. There you have it. See if I can bust some moves.